Most people think decisions are about certainty. You either know something or you don't. But in the real world, almost every important decision is made under uncertainty. You don't know exactly what will happen. You estimate what is likely to happen. And that's where probability comes in. It's not about predicting the future perfectly. It's about understanding the chances of different outcomes and making smarter choices based on that. Think about this in a simple way. Imagine you're launching a new product. You can't guarantee success, but you can estimate the probability of it working based on past data, market trends, and customer behavior. Or take something even more basic, weather forecasts. When you hear there's a 70% chance of rain, it doesn't mean it will definitely rain. It means the conditions suggest a high likelihood. Businesses operate in the same way. They don't wait for certainty. They act on probability. This way of thinking has deep roots. Mathematicians like Pierre-Simon Laplace helped formalize probability as a way to reason under uncertainty. Later, ideas like Bayesian thinking expanded this even further, updating decisions as new information becomes available. So probability is not just math. It's a framework for thinking in uncertain situations, which is exactly what businesses deal with every day. In data science, probability helps answer questions like, how likely is a customer to buy? What's the risk of a transaction being fraudulent? What are the chances a system will fail? Instead of yes or no answers, you get likelihoods. And those likelihoods drive decisions. A bank might block a transaction if there's a high probability of fraud. A company might target users who have a higher chance of converting. It's all about acting on informed chances, not guesses. But here's the catch. Probability can be misunderstood easily. People confuse likelihood with certainty or misinterpret percentages without context. A 60% chance is not a guarantee, and a 20% chance is not impossible. That's why understanding probability is not just about numbers, it's about interpretation. Bad interpretation leads to bad decisions, even if the calculations are correct. Now, with AI and machine learning, probability is everywhere. Most models don't give fixed answers, they give probabilities. Whether it's recommending a product, detecting spam, or predicting behavior, these systems are constantly calculating likelihoods behind the scenes. If you don't understand probability, you're just trusting outputs without knowing what they mean. At the Learning Studio, the focus isn't on making things sound complex, it's on helping you think clearly. Because once you understand probability, you stop expecting certainty in uncertain situations and start making decisions that are actually grounded in reality. And that's what separates reactive thinking from strategic thinking.